You can expect a lot from the 2020 Hyundai Kona EV. Hyundai prioritized comfort and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.